Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have. So as you can see, Maze prepared a wide list of languages, but I will select English US. Then click on Get Started. Now you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but I will do it later, so let me skip it for now. You can also keep your app and data by restoring a backup or copy from your older device, but I will set it as a new one, brand new one, so we've got the fresh start. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, so mine is this one. Wait a couple of seconds until it's connected. And that's it. Now we can tap on Next. And it's time to log in with your Google account if you have one, and if you don't, simply create a new one. Obviously, you can also skip this step, but I will log in with mine, and it's HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com. And now click on Next. It's time to enter the password, so let me show you. If you will click on the eye icon, you will be able to check what you are typing. So let me enter mine off the screen. Here it is, and then click on Next. Now here we've got all the terms of service. You can read them obviously, and then click on I agree. Finally, you can select some particular Google services. You can also switch off some of them if you want to, and then click on Next. You can add a fingerprint, but you can also do it later. Skip anyway. And if you would like to add some other features, simply select it, but let me do it later, so set up later. And that's it. Now you can start using your device. You can set up some other options. It's all up to you. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.